Yep, time to go over the second independent practice. We're going to go over the mixed numbers first, since that's what's new, followed by the improper fractions. First thing I do when I'm looking at a mixed number is I'm going to create my fraction part. And so I'm going to look at one shape and count the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My denominator is 6. I then look at the fraction that has less than 1, and I count those shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My fraction is 5, 6, and then I count the total number of holes that have all the parts shaded in. 1, 2. My mixed number is 2/5. For my improper fraction, my denominator stays 6, and I just count up all the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17/6 is my improper fraction. For number 2, I'm gonna do something a little different. If you may like this, I'm gonna first focus on my fraction by looking only at that shape where I get my fraction from. First, I'm gonna find my denominator by counting up the total number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are the shaded and non-shaded parts. Now for my numerator, I'm just gonna count up the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. The last thing I'm going to do is count up how many shapes do I have that are shaded in all the way. 1, 2. My mixed number is 2. 2/4. For my improper fraction, I keep the same denominator, and now I'm just going to count up all the shaded parts from each shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. My improper fraction is 22/9. Number 3, I'm going to focus first on the shape that is not shaded in all the way and make a fraction. I have 1, 2, 3 parts. 3 total parts is my denominator, and 2 of those parts are shaded, so that fraction is 2/3. Now I'm going to find how many shapes are fully shaded in, just 1. So my whole number is 1. The mixed number is 1 2/3. I got my 1 from the whole shaded in 1, and my 2/3 from the fraction 2 shaded in of 3 total parts. My improper fraction would still have a 3 in the denominator, but now I would count up both my whole and my less than whole shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/3 is my improper fraction. For number 4, sorry, not the fourth and final, but the second to last, I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts for my fraction. I'm focusing on this last one here since it's less than 1, and I see that there's one of those shaded parts that's shaded. One of those parts is shaded, so that is my fraction, and I have 1, 2, 3 whole shapes. That is my whole number for 3 1/7. For my improper fraction, I still have 7ths as my denominator, and now I'm just going to count up the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22/7. Last one, I'm going to first count up my total. This one's tricky. I'm going to first find my fraction, but wait, both shapes have all the parts are 1. They're all shaded in. So I don't actually have a fraction here in my mixed number, right? I have there's nowhere where I got like this number. There's none of that. So I'm not going to even write down a fraction. I'm just going to count up the total number of shapes that have every part shaded in. 1, 2. My mixed number is 2. That's it. My improper fraction, though, I now have to find the denominator, and I see that each of these shapes, both of them, are split into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. And now I'm going to count the total number of shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My improper fraction is 8/4. My mixed number is 2. Shoot your shot on your exit ticket. Can't wait to see your answers.